Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a task that might seem daunting, renewing your US passport online. But trust me, it's way easier than you think. We'll walk through it together, step by step, and I promise, by the end, you'll be a passport renewing pro. So grab your expired passport or the one that's about to expire, your computer, and your sense of humor. Let's do this. Before we dive in, let's make sure you're eligible for online renewal. First, your old passport needs to be a 10-year one. Second, it needs to be expiring soon, like within a year, or it expired less than 5 years ago. And lastly, your name can't have changed since you got your last passport. If all that checks out, congrats, you're in. If not, no worries. You can still renew by mail or in person. Check out the State Department's website for more info on that. Alright, ready for step 1? We need to create an account on MyTravelGov. It's like Facebook, but for your passport. Head to their website and click sign in. If you're new, create an account. If you're already part of the club, just log in. Remember to keep your login info safe and sound. You'll need it to check on your application and get those exciting updates. Section 4. Starting your application. You got this. This is the moment you've been preparing for. It's time to take that first step towards renewing your passport. Once you're logged in, click Renew Your Passport. Easy peasy. The website is designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech wizard. Now you can start filling out the application. Take your time to ensure all the information is accurate. Double-check your details to avoid any delays. Don't worry, you can save your progress and come back to it later. This feature is a lifesaver if you need to gather more information or take a break. But here's the catch. You only have 30 days to complete it. Make sure to mark your calendar and set reminders to stay on track. So, no pressure. But maybe don't start this at 11:59 p.m. on a Friday night. Give yourself ample time to avoid any last-minute stress. Having all your info handy will make this process a breeze. So, grab your passport, your travel dates if you have them, and your credit card. We're almost there. With everything ready, you'll be able to complete the application smoothly. Remember, this is just one step closer to your next adventure. You've got this! Section 5. Passport info double-check, triple-check. This is one of the most crucial steps in the entire process. Now it's time to put your old passport to work. Dig it out from wherever you've stored it and get ready to scrutinize every detail. You'll need to enter all the info from it. Your name, passport number, issue date, and expiration date, the works. Every single piece of information must be accurate. Make sure everything matches up perfectly. This is not the time for errors or typos. Think of it like a very important game of spot the difference, but with serious consequences if you get it wrong. A single mistake could delay your application or even cause it to be rejected. Once you've entered everything, the system will double-check it against their records. This automated verification process is designed to catch any discrepancies. If it all lines up, you're golden. Your application will proceed smoothly to the next stage. If not, you might need to renew your passport the old-fashioned way. This could mean more paperwork, more waiting, and more hassle. So, take your time and triple-check everything. Section 6. Travel plans and photo ops. Next up, travel plans. Whether you're dreaming of a tropical getaway or a cultural adventure, planning is key. If you need your passport ASAP, like within 8 weeks, online renewal isn't your best bet. The process can be slow and unpredictable, especially during peak travel seasons. It's designed for those of us who like to plan ahead, so if you're a spontaneous traveler, you might want to consider other options. But don't worry, you can still expedite your application by mail or in person. This way you can ensure that your documents are processed faster, giving you peace of mind. And last but not least, the moment we've all been waiting for, the passport photo. This small but crucial step can sometimes be the most stressful part of the process. Make sure it meets all the requirements. The photo must be clear with no shadows or reflections, and your face should be fully visible. No selfies, no funny hats, just your lovely face against a plain white background. Remember, this photo will be with you for the next 10 years, so make it count. Once you've found the perfect pic, upload it and you're good to go. Double-check all your details before submitting to avoid any delays. Happy travels!